why is that? Because NIO has proven time and time again that they can leverage their relationships to build these strategic partnerships or cooperations that help them get the resources behind them to get the job done. What's going on, everyone? My name's Obi and welcome back to Courtside Financial. Today we've got a big NIO update, lots of things to cover, lots of topics to delve into. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos. And also make sure you hit that like button because it really does go a long way in helping out the channel. Lastly, if you want to be a part of the conversation before it happens here on YouTube, click the link in the description to join the free Courtside Financial Discord. When you open up your new brokerage account, you'll receive one free stock valued anywhere from $2.50 to $250. And when you make that initial deposit of $100 or more, you'll receive another free stock, and this free stock will be valued anywhere from $8 to $1,600. Lastly, cryptocurrency is now available on WeBull, so you can trade cryptocurrency on the platform with zero commission. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about NIO. It's currently 6:40 p.m. Eastern Time here in Michigan, and the stock is trading at $42.92. It was down 0.95% for the day, and it is down 0.05% in the after hours. So not too long ago, someone sent me a video of someone giving their opinion on battery swapping. Now, the point that they made was that battery swapping was too costly and that it just didn't make sense for electric car companies. I completely disagreed, of course, because I think that battery swapping is one of NIO's core competitive advantages. Now, we're not going to get into the whole advantage of not having to deal with battery degradation, and then on top of that being able to actually upgrade your range on an older car. You know, we've done plenty of videos on that, but my other counter to that argument was that NIO really knows how to leverage their strategic partnerships so that funding these battery swap stations is not so much of a burden on the company. We've seen NIO cooperate with State Grid to build battery swap stations. We've seen NIO cooperate with Hefe Charge to build swap stations. Well, that actually brings us to today's topic. NIO on March 19th signed an agreement with a state-owned firm, an infrastructure company, Beijing Shufa Industrial and Trading Co. So this cooperation actually pertains to battery swapping. It's going to help accelerate battery swap station construction. So in my opinion, there's a lot to talk about in regards to this cooperation, but I think that this should definitely be something that gives investors confidence in NIO. And why is that? Because NIO has proven time and time again that they can leverage their relationships to build these strategic partnerships or cooperations that help them get the resources behind them to get the job done. You know, they said that they want to build 500 battery swap stations by the end of the year. And of course, in my opinion, that doesn't happen without deals like this. So they said that back in 2018, Beijing Shufa was one of the earliest supporters of NIO's battery swap station construction. And this is when they built the pilot of the highway service battery swapping stations in China. So if you don't see what I'm getting at here, this is a state-owned company that NIO's built good rapport with, and they want to see NIO win. Under the 5-year strategic cooperation agreement, the two companies agreed to cooperate in the construction of battery swapping stations along the Beijing Capital Ring Expressway. In addition, the two companies will work together to optimize the layout of the energy supply, promote the use of new energy vehicles, and improve the experience of high-speed travel for Beijing residents. Okay, so next topic. Last week, I believe it was last week, it seems like the weeks are just blending together at this point, but we talked about NIO, XPeng, and Li Auto potentially IPOing on the Hong Kong exchange. Well, today we have an update on that, and that's what we're going to talk about now. New development today. It seems like they're really gearing up to make this happen, and they've reached out to banks to help them prepare for it. Just an update here, but to recap what I said last week in a nutshell, yes, there will be some dilution with a move like this, but no, I'm not concerned about it at all. NIO has reached out to Credit Suisse and Morgan Stanley to offer 5% of its total share capital in Hong Kong. Sources added that NIO could also go public on China's A-share market. So it looks like NIO will IPO on the Hong Kong exchange, but China's A-share market, well, China's A-share market would be like the Shanghai exchange or the Shenzhen exchange. I personally have no problem with a Chinese company wanting to publicly raise money in China. And I say publicly because yes, they've already raised money in China privately. Second of all, I want to talk about how Chamath kind of talked about this as it pertains to Tesla, but when a company has product market fit and they start raising capital, the capital they raise basically makes success a self-fulfilling prophecy. To me, NIO is a very ambitious company. It has potential to be a really big company. And it's great to own this thing around just the cars right now, but you have to think about all the other different lanes and avenues that they're in. So if you think NIO's in the early stages of product market fit right now, and you think that all they really need to do is scale and continue to innovate, then in my opinion, you shouldn't have any problem with them getting more money from more investors to help make the company even bigger. So that was it for this video. I want to know what you guys think about NIO's cooperation on the battery swapping station. And I also want to know what you guys think about NIO IPOing on the Hong Kong exchange and then potentially IPOing on either the Shenzhen exchange or the Shanghai exchange. So that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.